concept of the timing. Okay, our session will start with about timing. Okay, we said how we tell the time. When we tell the time, we use the clock, and this picture has the clock. This called what? Analog clock. Again, this called analog clock. Okay, the analog clock here has two hands, long hand and short hand. The long hand tells me the minutes and the short hand tells me the hours, okay? Here we have analog clock, and this one that have the numbers, it's a digital one. We can see it in our computers or in our mobile phones. Okay, the first type of the clock is the analog clock. We said the analog clock which has the two hands. This one is the analog clock and this one is the digital one. And here it has two hands. The short hand tells me the hours and the long hand tells me the minutes. Okay, how we tell the time in the analog clock? When we find the long hand on number 12, it means o'clock. It means what? O'clock. And when we find the short hand on any other number, it tells me the hour. We said before, the short hand tells me the hour, okay? And this is the digital clock. The digital clock has two parts or two sides. Side tells me the hour and the other side tells me the minutes. Okay, here in the side, in the left side, we can find the hour, and in the right side, we can find the minutes. When we ask about the time, we say, what time is it? Again, when we ask someone about the time, we have to say, what time is it? Okay, let's start. What time is it here? We said before, when the long hand on number 12, it means o'clock. It means what? O'clock. And when we find the short hand on any other number, it tells us the hour. So here, how can I tell the time in this picture? I can tell it as I have to say it's the number that the short hand on, it's number 1 here, so it's 1, and the long hand on number 12, so the time here is o'clock. So what time is it here? It's 1 o'clock. Again, it's 1 o'clock. And here, what time is it? What time is it here? We can find the long hand on number 12 and the short hand on number 3. So it's 3 o'clock. Again, it's 3 o'clock. Okay, who can do this one with me?
5.
Okay, when we tell the time, we say it's 5 o'clock. Again, Ellen. Again, Ellen, what time is it here? Repeat after me, Ellen. It's 5 o'clock. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so let's try the other one. We find here the long hand on number 12 and the short hand on number 5. So it's 5 o'clock. Okay, Ellen?
Okay.
Okay, honey, thank you. Okay, here. Is it 1 o'clock here in this picture? I want Kenda Michael. Kenda, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, in this picture, is it 1 o'clock here?
No.
Why it's not 1 o'clock here, Kenda? Do you know why?
Yes.
Why, honey?
Because it's the long hand and not on number 12.
Yes, excellent, because the long hand is not on number 12, so it's not 1 o'clock. Thank you, Kenda. Good job.
Yes.
Okay, what time is it here, Bubble?
4 o'clock.
You have to say it's first. It's 4.
It's 4 o'clock.
Excellent. It's 4 o'clock because we have the long hand on number 12 and the short hand on number 5. So it's 4 o'clock. Thank you, Bubble. Okay, Perla. Perla, can you hear me, honey?
Yes, lady.
Okay, can you tell me what time is it here in this picture?
12 o'clock.
Excellent, but you have to say it's first. It's 12 o'clock, okay?
I said 12 o'clock.
I know, but you have to say it's first.
Okay.
Okay, say it again. What time is it here, Perla?
It's 12 o'clock.
Excellent. It's 12 o'clock. Thank you, honey. Okay, here he asks us, is it 1 o'clock here? No, of course, because the long hand is not on number 12. It's on number 9, so it's not 1 o'clock. Here in this one, we will learn how to tell the time by the digital clock. In this picture, the time here, it's 7 o'clock. Okay, here it's 7 o'clock. How we write 7 o'clock in the digital way? We write it as 7 in the part for the hours, we will write 7, and in the part of the minutes, we will write 2 zeros. So in this digital way, it's 7 o'clock. Let's see another one. Here in this one, it's 3 o'clock. How we write 3 o'clock in the digital way? We will write 3 beside 2 zeros. It's 3 o'clock. Okay? Who try the next one with me? Fairuz, can you hear me, honey? I can't hear you. Okay. Tell me, what time is it here?
This is 2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock, not this is. It's 2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock.
Okay, can you tell me how we write it in the digital clock or the digital way?
2 0 0.
Yes, 2 beside 2 0. Thank you, Fairuz. Thank you, Rosa. Good job. Okay, here we have to write the time. Okay, Ellen, can you hear me, honey?
Yes, lady.
Okay, can you tell me what time is it here in the first one?
First one. 10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock. Again,
It's 8 o'clock.
it's 10 o'clock. Okay, Ellen, thank you. I want Lama and Hannah.
And Hannah.
Lama, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, the next one, Lama. What time is it here?
It's 12 o'clock.
Excellent. It's 12 o'clock. Thank you. Can you call Hannah for the next one? Hannah, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, Hannah, what time is it here in the next one?
3.
Okay, we have to say what when someone asks us about the time. It's 3
It's 3 o'clock.
Yes,
It's 3 o'clock.
o'clock. Thank you, Hannah and Lama. Good job. I want Murad. Murad, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
this one here. What time is it here, Murad?
6 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock. Excellent. It's 6.
It's 6 o'clock.
Yes, it's 6 o'clock. Thank you, Murad. The next one I want Malika Mustafa. Malika, can you hear me, honey? Malika, can you hear me? Okay, there is a problem with Malika, so we will take another one. Ahmed Muhammad Adil, can you hear me, honey? Ahmed, can you hear me? Okay, I want
Yes, maybe.
Ahmed, are you with me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, the next one here. Can you tell me what time is it here? What time is it here, Ahmed?
It is 12. It is 12.
Okay,
Is it
Muhammad, we have to say the number that have the short hand. The short hand here on number what?
number 1?
Yes, so because of it, it's 1. It's 1 what?
It's 1
Huh?
o'clock.
O'clock. It's 1
It's 1
o'clock.
o'clock.
Yes, Ahmed, thank you, honey.
Is
It's
it
1 o'clock. Thank you. Okay, the last one here. I want Natalie. Natalie, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, the last one here. What time is it here, Natalie?
It's 5 o'clock.
Excellent. It's 5 o'clock. Okay. Here, what time is it here? I will answer it. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Let's move to the next concept. We will revise today the double and halves. And we will start with double. What does double means? It means add the same number again. Again, what does double means? It means add the same number again. So here, when we have one bag, I wanted to double it. I wanted to double 1. Double of 1 is 2. I add the same number again. So it will be 2. Double of 1 is 2. Like here, we have one bowl and we want to double it. Double of 1 is 2. So let's try it here. Here we have 2 pens. I want to double them. The double of 2 is 4. We add the same number again. And also you can use your hands, okay? But with the small numbers. Here we have table for the doubles. Double 1 is 2. Double 2 is 4. Double 3 is 6. Double 4 is 8. Double 5 is 10. Double 6 is 12. Double 7 is 14. Double 8 is 16. So here we have the double. You can take it as a screenshot to keep it by heart, okay? So here, the doubles of the numbers. Let's do this sheet together for the doubles. Can you
12.
Yes, excellent. 12. Double of 6 is
12.
Okay, KG, I'm sorry about that. Let's complete our sheet. The next one, here we have 4 plus 4. The double of 4 is what? I want Mahmoud? Mahmoud, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Good morning, Mahmoud. How are you?
Good morning, lady.
Good morning, honey. Okay, the next one here. 4 plus 4, double of 4 is?
8.
Excellent. The double of 4 is 8. Thank you, Mahmoud. Good job. And Natalie? Natalie, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, Natalie. The next one here, 3 plus 3, double of 3 is?
6.
Excellent. Good job. Double of 3 is 6.
6.
Thank you, Natalie. Good job. 10. Double of 10 is?
12.
Again, double of 10.
20.
Yes, excellent. 20. Double of 10 is 20. Thank you.
20.
Good job. Okay, I want Bubble. Bubble, can you hear me, honey? Bubble, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, here we have 5 plus 5. Double of 5 is?
10.
10. Excellent. The double of 5 is 10. Thank you, Bubble. Good job. Okay, I want the last one here. I want Jessie. Jessie, can you hear me, honey? Okay, by the way, the last one is repeated here. 8 plus 8, we said before, double of 8 is 16, okay? Let's move to the next concept. Here we have halves. What does half means? Half means to divide something into two equal parts, if it's a number or it's a shape. So again, what does the half means? It means to divide into two equal parts. Again, divide into two equal parts. Here, when it has here orange, he divided it into two equal parts. Each part is called half. Each part of this is called half, okay? Here we have the half of shapes. Half of shapes, here we have many shapes like the rectangle, circle, square, heart, and triangle. When we divide them into two equal parts, each part is called half. Each part is called half. Okay, here half of numbers. When I have two dots here. Half of 2 is, I divide them into two equal parts, so each part will have one dot. So half of 2 is 1. The other one here, half of 4. I have 4 dots here. If I divided them into two equal parts, each part will have 2 dots. So half of 4 is 2. Half of 4 is 2. Okay, if we have 8 and I want to divide it into two equal parts, I want the half of 8. Half of 8 is 4. I divided them into two equal parts, so each part will have 4 dots. So half of 8 is 4. The last one here, half of 10. Half of 10 is 5. When I divide 10 into two equal parts, each part will have 5 dots. So half of 10 is 5. Here we have a picture that has the doubles and halves of numbers, okay? He completes here till 20, okay? Double of 1 is 2, double of 2 is 4, double of 3 is 6, double of 4 is 8, double of 5, 10, double of 6, 12, double of 7, 14, double of 8, 16, double of 9, 18, double of 10, 20, okay? And the same thing with the halves. Half of 20 is 10, half of 18 is 9, half of 16 is 8, half of 14 is 7, half of 12 is 6, half of 10 is 5, half of 8 is 4, half of 6 is 3, half of 4 is 2, and the last one, half of 2 is 1. If it's difficult to keep all these numbers by heart, in the doubles you can do it as plus. When I ask you double of 1, I can do it 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. When I ask you double of 2, 2 plus 2, I can do it as plus. The same thing with the half. The half, if I don't know what is the half of the number, I can draw dots up the number and divide them into 2 equal parts. Like when I ask you half of 2, you can draw 2 dots and divide them into 2 equal parts, and you will see each part has 1 dot. So half of 2 is 1. Okay? Let's do this sheet together. Let's do the doubles first. I want Murad. Murad, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, the first one here. Double 1 is
2.
2. Excellent. The next one. Double 2 is
3.
double 2.
4.
Yes, double of 2 is 4. Thank you, Murad. Jessie, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Double of 3 is
6.
6. Excellent. And double of 4 is
8.
good job, Jessie. Thank you. Okay, the next one I want Mahmoud. Mahmoud, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Mahmoud, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, here we have double of 5 is
10.
10. Excellent. Okay, do you know what is the double of 6?
Yes.
Double of 6 is what?
3.
Double, not half. Double of 6. We said we can do the doubles as plus. If you don't know the number, double of 6, it means 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 equals what?
12.
Excellent, 12. Thank you, Mahmoud. Good job. Okay, the next one. Perla. Perla, can you hear me, honey? Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good morning, Dodo.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, I hope you're fine. I missed you. Okay, let's do this. Do you know what is the double of 7?
14.
14. Excellent. Double of 7 is 14. Okay,
14.
what double of 8 is? Double of 8 is? You can do it as plus. 8 plus 8.
8. After 8.
8. 17. 16.
Yes, 16. Double of 8 is 16. Thank you.
16.
Good job. Thank you. Okay, the next one I want Fairuz. Fairuz, can you hear me, honey?
Yes, lady.
Okay, here we have double of 9. Do you know what is the double of 9?
10.
Double of 9 is?
10.
Not 10. We said we can do doubles as plus if we don't know the number. So double of 9, it means 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 equals? Can you hear me, Fairuz? Okay, do it. 9 plus 9. 9 in my mind and 9 on my fingers. Count after 9 and tell me the number.
18.
18. So double of 9 is 18. Okay, do you know what is the double of 10? Double of 10 is?
20.
20. Good job. Excellent, Rosa. Thank you. Let's move to the halves part. Okay, I want Perla. Perla, can you hear me, honey?
Yes, lady.
Okay, here we have half of 2. Half of 2 is
1.
1. Excellent. Half of 2 is 1. Thank you, Perla. Okay, the next one I want Muhammad and Miral. Miral, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, here we have Miral. Half of 4. Half of 4 is what?
2.
2. Excellent. Half of 4 is 2.
2.
Okay, and do you know what half of 6? Half of 6 is
3.
3. Good job, Miral. Okay, can you call Muhammad to do the next one? Muhammad, are you with me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, half of 8, Muhammad. Half of 8 is what?
4.
4. Excellent. Half of 8 is 4. And do you know what's the half of 10?
2.
Half of 10 is what?
5.
What?
5.
5. Excellent. Half of 10 is 5. Thank you, Muhammad and Miral. Good job. Okay, I want Lama and Hannah. Lama, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, here we have half of 12. Do you know what half of 12?
Yes.
Half of
6.
12. Excellent,
6.
Lama. Thank you. Okay, half of 14 is what, Lama?
Half of 14
Yes.
is 7.
Excellent. Half of 14 is 7. Can you call Hannah for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, lady.
Hello, Hannah.
Hello.
Okay, the next one here. Half of 16. Do you know what half of 16?
Yes.
What half of 16? Half of 16.
8.
8. Good job. Okay, and half of 18 is?
Half of 18.
Yes.
Half of 9.
9. Good job. Excellent, Hannah. Thank you, Lama and Hannah. Good job. The last one here. Half of 20. Who can do this? Jessie, can you hear me, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, the last one here. Half of 20 is?
10.
Good job. Excellent. Half of 20 is 10. Thank you, Jessie. Good job. Good job, KG, all of you. Okay, let's move to the next concept. We have the word problem. What's the meaning of the word problem? Word problem, it allows you to read and understand. It gives me like a short story or an equation, but it's written in words. You have to read it and understand what does it means, okay? It has to make a sum or an equation to solve this problem, okay? When we find words like all together, some, we use the equation, we use the sign plus. When we find all or all together, all and all together sum, it will be plus equation. It will be what? Plus equation. And when we put the minus equation, we have to see the words like left, remainder, change, and difference, okay? Or when I find one of these words in our problem, we use the sign minus, okay? We use minus. And we know when we make an equation with the minus, I start with the big number, okay? So here, let's solve this problem together. I will do the first one for you and you will do with me the next ones, okay? Many ate 6 ice creams. She ate 6 ice creams. But Sam ate 2 ice creams. Okay? How many ice creams did they eat in total? The word total, it means all or all together. He wants here to know how many ice cream they ate all together. So here we will put 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, how we do this? 6 in my mind, 2 on my fingers, after 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. This is how we do the word problem, okay? Who can do the next one with me? Okay, Iyad? Iyad, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, Dodo. Let's read the problem together.
Okay.
Martin got 4 apples, okay? Later he plucked 5 more. How many apples he plucked in total? He wants the whole apples he plucked. Okay, what we will do here is how many apples he plucked all together?
5,
Uh,
4.
when we find all together or in total, like we said, Yududu, we have to do plus equation, okay? We have here 4 apples and 5 apples. Okay, what we will do here? 5 here, 4 plus 5. Can we
5.
do 4 plus 5 equals? Excellent, Yududu. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Thank you, Yududu. Good job. The last one here in this sheet. Who can do this with me? Mahmoud? Mahmoud, can you hear me, honey?
Yes.
Okay, let's read the problem together.
Yes.
Brought 2 pencils. Dad brought 7 more pencils for her. How many pencils altogether?
2.
2.
2 plus 7.
Yes, 2 plus 7 equals
9.
9. Good job, Mahmoud. Thank you. 2 plus 7 equals 9.
9.
Okay, thank you, Mahmoud. Let's move to the next sheet. I will do the first one. There were 7 birds sitting on a tree. 3 of them fly away. How many birds are left? We said when we find the word left, I will do the equation as minus. I will do it as minus. And in minus equation, I start with the big number. Which one is the big number here? It's 7. So 7 minus 3 equal 7 minus 3. Close my hand, put 3 in my mind, and count to reach 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay, who can do the next two with me? I want Jessie. Jessie, can you hear me, honey? Jessie, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, let's read this problem together and do it together, okay? Here we have John had 9 coins. He gave 4 of them to his younger sister. How many coins John have now? Or how many coins are left? We have 9 and 4. What we will do, Jessie? We said when we have minus equation, we start with the big number. So here we will do it as minus. We will start with number 9. 9 minus 4, Jessie. 9 minus 4 equals?
5.
5. Good job. Thank you. Did you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, honey, thank you. 9 minus 4 equals 5. The last one here, who can do it with me? I want Kenda, Michael. Kenda, can you hear me, honey? Kenda,
Yes, lady.
Okay, Kenda, let's read the problem together and do it, okay? Here, Joe has 8 balloons, okay? 3 of them burst. How many balloons left? What we will do here, Kenda? We can find left here.
Eight balloons.
Yes.
8 minus 8 minus 8.
Okay, we can find here the word left, Kenda. So we will do it as plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus, excellent. What minus what? 8.
8
8
Minus
minus
3
yes, 8 minus 3 equals?
equal 5.
Excellent, Kenda. Thank you, honey. Good job. Okay, thank you, KG.